and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion today. We have a very special project. It is the E86 from Initial D. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the series. If you're not, be sure to go check it out. It is definitely really cool. It can be a little hard to find a version in English, however, but it is worth a watch, especially if you are a car nut and into imports. But today we are going to be basically building the body out of oven-baked clay here. As you can see, I'm crushing in my hands right now. Now, unfortunately, we're going to have to do this one in segments because it's going to take too long otherwise. I don't have time to, unfortunately, record all that, but at least you'll get to see what they'll look like from the beginning till the very end. Quick run over some of the tools. This is basically an oversized razor blade, which I'm going to be using to help kind of make the shape of the car, as well as a really sharp, pointy needle, basically. And if you are curious about the other tools, be sure to check out my other video, which is the time-lapse restoration of my little orange hot rod, which you see on the screen there. Oh, but wait, I almost forgot. Sandpaper. We are probably going to be doing a lot of sanding once it's out of the oven. Now, unfortunately, I have a quick announcement to make before we get into the time-lapse. It's come to my attention that the comment section hasn't been working on my YouTube channel lately, and I do apologize for it. I tried to fix it a few times, but it has come to no avail. I'm going to try to make sure I post this one correctly, and if it is correct, be sure to leave a comment and let me know which one is your favorite so far that I've made. It would be nice to get some positive feedback. Yeah, I realize you're getting impatient. Just give me a second. Anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, and all that other fun self-promotion stuff. Anyways, hope you're all doing well, and let's begin.